So ask this. You will use your hand to take off your girl drawers for dig out her belly down. But you won't use your same hand to take off her drawers for wash it. You know see someone mind underdeveloped. You know see someone a little boy in a big man body. Grow up, brother. Pam pam pam. Yeah, well, I don't know, sir. One nation and I'm one nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. G's. My name is Negusimara, and I would like for you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, so the episode I really are gonna separate the boys from the men. You understand what I'm saying? This is no disrespect to nobody, but you understand this has been an ongoing thing in Jamaica, especially in Jamaican culture, where we see the man them a disregard, like, you know, interacting with the woman them in certain ways. You understand? And we're gonna specifically make a video about the garments, and the garments, that's the one that cover the flete. You understand what I say? But enough of me talking, because you are a gentleman, I say right quick.
Yo, come here. Yo, you me attack, come here. Caribbean men, Jamaican man in particular. So, me and some brethren them a reason. And the man them a tell me, say, in this day and age, because I post a video regarding China send me go do laundry. And the man them a say them now wash no laundry with no drawers in there. A over woman. So you're telling me, as a grown man, your woman live a yard with you and you're not going to do laundry with her underwear in there? I wish time in the living now. A modern time now or a ancient time in the living now. And the mindset need to change, brother. You see me? If me live a yard with my woman, 95% of the time we have a washing machine in the house. So, and I wash them. Even if you're Anna wash them and you're a woman. So you're telling me you can meet a random chick and take off her undergarment, but you can't wash your woman's underwear? Hear me, youth. When the mindset need to change. Not a big man and a boy. I wanna do it.
I have to agree with the dog. I have to agree with the dog. So you're telling me, say, you will take off your girl drawers, dig out her belly, do all of the things and for make sure, yo, shake they all over the place. You understand what I say? You take off. I'm trying to understand. You will take off your girl drawers, dig out her belly, but you refuse for wash them same drawers there. The maths not add up. I'm confused. You will. You see me? Your girl. You will. You understand what I say? But you won't. Even if you're gonna use. I don't understand. This has been an ongoing thing in Jamaica for the longest. I'm still try wonder how it makes sense. When most a little boy, yeah, bad man no be with baby mother rag and bad man no wash drawers and wear man a bad man. If my girl sick, me I wash her drawers, brother. If she, you understand what I say? If she tired and me do laundry and me see some clothes that where she we can wash for she in my laundry load, me go wash it for her. It's like the dog them afraid for interact with woman in a certain ways and afraid for show public affection, brother. We up on the road, brother, grab her body if she down for that, cause some girl them modest, them not really too want do them thing in the public. Brother, if she like them to slap her up on her body, understand what I say? She walk around the house, brother, you don't know slap her up on her jaw. You know what I mean? Grab a handful of body jar and grab it, squeeze it, bust all one kiss on her forehead. Them look at thing there. It's like the dog them afraid. You tell me say you will dig you will you see me? I'll make sure cream all over your finger. But you won't wash her drawers if she need help, wash her drawers if she's sick and I wash her drawers. Bro, washing a woman panty is not gonna demasculate you or emasculate you, bro. It's not. Contrary to what you were taught, bro. If you wash a woman drawers, that don't make you less of a man bad, bro. Like, I don't understand. And the G made it specific. Cause hear him say, Caribbean man, Jamaican man in particular. So Jamaicans have a problem. We have a problem, bad bro. Bro. Man will go in our woman raw. But won't interact with her panty. I would like for somebody to just leave that in the comments, like, as to why. Like, why? I don't understand. And watch back that video one more time and see what the GS say, cause me I try. Let me see if me can get the answer as to why they do this. Or they watch back that video.
Yo, come here. Yo, you me attack, come here. Caribbean men, Jamaican man in particular. So me and some of brethren them a reason. And the man them a tell me say in this day and age, cause I post a video regarding China send me go the laundry. And the man them a say them now wash no laundry with no drawers in there. A ufa woman. So you're telling me, as a grown man, your woman live a yard with you and you're not going to do laundry with her underwear in there? I wish time in the living now. A modern time now or a ancient time in the living now. And the mindset need to change, brother. You see me? If me live a yard with my woman, 95% of the time we have a washing machine in the house. So, and I wash him. Even if you're Anna wash him and you're a woman. So you're telling me you can meet a random chick and take off her undergarment, but you can't wash your woman's underwear? Hear me, youth. When the mindset need to change. Not a big man and a boy. How wanna do it?
Brother, I don't understand how someone wanna move, brother. Only will meet a random girl and take off her drawers and beat up the bubble. You will all make sure I'll cream all over your finger, you understand what I say? But you won't take off your girl drawers for wash it. What? Brother, hold on, the mathematics, nah, I don't understand, bro. You understand what I say? It does not add up bad, bro. It's like me, I wonder if the G them genuinely like woman. Brother, see the breast never catch on yet, brother? Brother, see, tell the truth. I'm gonna come to you, what is Caesar? You know what is Caesar breast. When you go to woman, you don't know you deal with the thing wicked, bro, and you am for just touch it titty. You understand what I say, bad, bro? You go suck off said titty after you touch it with the season, and you understand what I say? Yo, brother, Caesar breast have to catch you one time in your life. Don't even try to come and lie to me, brother. I when I say a man for purposely go do certain things or interact in a certain, but what does I say, like, I would genuinely, and don't come to me and tell me, say, yo, bro, as a man, bro, it's just how you were socialized, bro. Cause when I get older, I don't look at it like that again. I don't look at me, I wash my girl drawers like a man clown thing. I'm grown. That's how I used to think when I was in high school. I'm used to in high school. Oh, me not do that. You do that. But we can take off our things. We can insert my finger in her. We can touch her breast and then suck off her breast, not even know see how it just come out her hole. But we now wash our drawers. Bro, me not tell a man for go do what him no want do, or I'm not. This is not me doing that. But me just say, we need to think about where we are do, how we are live like certain, bro. When me start put my foot in a people's shoes, me start evaluate certain things, what's worse, like certain experiences, bro. When you experience certain things in life, bro, you know, look by your life the same, or you know, think like how you used to think yesterday. So me used to think like the whole of you know, oh yo, oh bad man, baby man wrong. Yo, if me and my woman, if me and my woman there, then I fear rag alone. Then if me go for my girl yard, I forgot my blood class pen in that bag. Me a beard with that rag. If me not, you know what I mean? You understand what I say? Or I'm just bearding my brief. Bearding with that rag would be the last resort. Cause you don't know me a Jamaican. Me a bearding my brief before me beard with anything bad, bro. You understand what I say? Yo, who else bearding them? Yo, I mean I don't care beard with my brief. Yo, only what time beard with my brief, you know. Yeah, fuck, yo, I'm really not more chatting still, but let me know what you think in that comment section. You don't know, say one day, shut up, one day, shut up, more. You go home now?